Hello friends, my name is Abhinav from Unlearned Education, and today we are going to create a beautiful website using WordPress. Okay, so to build this website you do not need any programming skill or any coding knowledge. If you follow my steps, then you can easily build this website using WordPress. So let's see what kind of website we are going to build. So this is the website. Okay, so you can use this website as the official website of your company. So if you have a company or a business, then you can use this website as the official website for your company or your business. Okay, and if you are a freelancer, then you can use this website to promote your skills and to get clients. Okay, and you can even use this website as a blog. You can also, if you want to become a blogger and you need a website, then you can also use this website as a blog. So this is how our website look. Okay, so you have your header. That means on the header you have a menu on the upper side of your website. Then on the upper left side you have your logo. Okay, then if you scroll down, the color of the header changes. Okay, it gives a beautiful effect on our website. It says Unlearned Education, which is the name of my company, and there's a tagline. Okay, then a button, so it redirects us to our contact page. Then there is another section, it says something about our company, so there's a little description. Then here is another section. Okay, so learn more about us. So there is a video, and if you click here you will see a video. Okay, so this video is embedded from YouTube. And there is another section, what we are famous for. Okay, so these are the main thing what that my company does. Okay, so you can put anything here. So our portfolio section, you can click the image, then you will get a slider and you can see different images here. Okay, you can add more images. So then another section, our work. So these are the work we do. Okay, we do graphic design, photography, video, animation. Okay, and if I want, then I can change the percentage to show. Okay, and then the latest news. Okay, so these are the blog posts which are appearing. So these are the latest articles that if I write some articles, then it will show in this section. Okay, so 3 of the latest articles that I will write will appear here. Okay, so these are the latest articles. So these are just demo articles. Okay, and then a testimonial section. Okay, so a testimonial section provides more value to a website. Okay, so it is very important to add a testimonial section. So then there are some other important stuff. So this is my company's logo again. Then there is another small description about my company. Then there is a contact us section. Here is a email, phone number, and the address. Okay, so here are some quick links. That means these are some important pages. Okay, terms of service, policy, about us page. Okay, then there is a social link option. Okay, so these are the social media pages. Okay, so these are my social media pages. It will appear here. If someone clicks here, then it will redirect to the social media pages. Okay, so at the bottom of the website there is a copyright text. Okay, so now let's see how the pages look. Okay, so this is the blog page. Okay, so these are the blog posts that I have written. You can write as many blog posts as you want. Okay, you can write many articles. So if you want to read the full article, then you can click on read more. So if you click on read more, then you will see the full story or the full article. Okay, then we have the gallery page. Okay, here we have a beautiful gallery. If we click on the image, then we can use this slider. Okay, we can see all the images, next or previous. Okay, so let's close it. Then there is our about us page. Okay, so this is how our about us page looks. Okay, it looks beautiful. Okay, then we have our contact page. Okay, so our contact details will be shown here. So these are our contact details. Okay, our mail ID, the phone number, location. Okay, you can add anything you want here. And this is a form. Okay, if someone comes to your contact page and he wants to message you, okay, then he can fill up this form and this message will be sent to your email. Okay, so this is how it works. So to make this website we need three important things. The first one is a domain name, that means your website address, okay, whatever name you choose. Then a hosting. So hosting means you have to purchase a space, okay, you have to purchase a space on the server to upload your files, okay. And then WordPress, okay. So this is the platform we are going to use to make our website. So these are the three important things which are needed to build this website. Okay, to purchase a domain name and hosting, just go to the link in the description, okay, which I have provided for you. So the first thing you should do is go to my description box and click on the link which I provided for you. Okay, so after you click the link you will see a page like this. Okay, so this is the hostgator.in homepage. So hostgator.in is the official Indian version of the hostgator.com. So if you are not an Indian, if you are outside of India, then you have to click the other link that I have provided in the description. So if you go to hostgator.com, then you will see a page like this. Okay, so this is the hostgator.com homepage. So I'll show you in both the hostgator.com and the .in domain how to do. Okay, so do not worry about anything. And I want you to always remember one thing, that do not compromise the quality of the services just for the sake of cheap hosting. Okay, just remember this, that do not ever compromise the quality of the services of the hosting company, okay, just for the sake of cheap hosting. Okay, just remember this. So what we have to do now is just click here, okay, web hosting, and then click on Linux shared hosting. Okay, so after you click Linux shared hosting you will see a page like this. Okay, so if you go to hostgator.com, then you have to click here, okay, web hosting, on the upper left side of your screen, and then after clicking on web hosting you will see a page like this. Okay, so in the Indian version you will see there are four plans they are providing when we click this Linux share hosting. Okay, so now you can see there are four plans, and in the hostgator.com version you will see there are only three plans. Okay, so if you are using the hostgator.in, then I prefer you to go with this starter or the hassling plan. Okay, you can either choose the starter plan or the hassling plan. I do not recommend you to go with the baby or the business plan if you are a beginner. Okay, and if you are not from India, then you can go with either the hassling plan or the baby plan. So the difference between the hassling plan and the baby plan is just that you can host a single domain with the hassling plan, and you can host unlimited domains with the baby plan. Okay, so this is the feature in the hostgator.com website. Okay, so let's see what we get in the hostgator.in. If you are an Indian, then what you have to do, just select any of the first two plans, the starter or the hassling plan. Okay, so I'm going to buy the starter plan. I'm going to buy the starter hosting package for my domain. Okay, so let's see what are the prices. So if I take it just for 1 month, then I have to pay 199 rupees per month. That means if I get the hosting just for 1 month, then I have to pay 199 rupees. Okay, so just like that you can see there are some other prices. So if you take it for 2 years you just have to pay 139 rupees, and if you take it for 5 years you just have to pay 99 rupees per month. Okay, so I'll select 1 year. So I'm going to take the 1 year plan. Okay, so let's see what we get with this plan. So you can host a single domain if you take this hosting, and you will get 10 GB disk space, okay, which is great, and 100 GB of transfer, okay, which is also great, and you will also get 5 email accounts. These 5 email accounts are the business account which are free. Okay, they are providing 5 email accounts for free. Okay, and you will also get a free SSL certificate. So SSL certificate is very necessary and it is very essential for your domain Okay, so it secures your domain from the hackers and the spammers. Okay, so the SSL certificate is very essential. Okay, so now I have selected the 1 year plan, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click buy now. Okay, so now they are asking me, do you already have a domain for your hosting plan? So I do not have a domain. Okay, I'm going to buy a domain altogether. Okay, so I'll click no. Okay, so here I have to register my domain. Okay, so I already have chosen a name. Okay, so let's see assamupdates.com. Okay, so you don't need to put this .com because it's already there. Okay, so if you want to get the .net or a .in version, then you can also get all these versions. Okay, so I'm going to choose .com and I'll select continue. Okay, so if you are not from India, so you just go with this plan. Okay, just click on buy now. If you choose Hassling plan or baby plan, whichever plan you want, just click buy now. Okay, then you will see a page like this. Okay, so here you have to enter your domain name. Okay, so I'll select assamupdates.com is already there. So just like this, you can register your domain. Okay, so here you can see assamupdates.com. Okay, it is available. Okay, so I have to pay $12.95 per year. That means if I take this domain for 1 year, then I have to pay $12.95. Okay, so if you are an Indian, then you will see like this, assamupdates.com is available. So what you have to do now, just add the domain to your cart and then click checkout. Okay, so just like this, if you're not an Indian, then just what you have to do, just tick this domain. Okay, then you just have to fill up all the forms. Okay, so package type, which plan are you going to buy? Okay, so either Hetzling or baby or business. Okay, so I will select Hetzling and I want to take the hosting for 12 months. Okay, so if I take the hosting for 12 months, I have to pay $5.95 per month. Okay, so now I have to put the username and the security pin. Okay, and then just fill up all these forms, and what you have to do, you have to click checkout now. Okay, but before clicking this checkout button, do not forget to untick all these options. Okay, you can see there are some additional services they are providing us, so we do not want these services. Okay, so just untick all this. So we just need the SSL certificate. So the SSL certificate is free, they are providing us the SSL certificate for free, so we do not want these additional services and the additional costs. Okay, so just do not forget that to untick all the additional services, and now you can click checkout. So it's an easy process, you can do it. So if you are an Indian, then you will see a page like this. Okay, we have chosen our domain. Okay, we got our domain name, and now they are offering us some other services along with our domain. Okay, but we do not want all the services. Okay, we just want the domain name and the hosting for our domain. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete all the other services like digital positive SSL. Okay, I do not want this service. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep this my domain and the hosting plan. Okay, and do not forget to tick this protect your contact information. Okay, so just tick this box. So what it will do, it will just protect your domain's information. Okay, from the public. So that is important for a domain. Okay, so now you can see here the actual price is a lot more than this. So if you come here from the link that I have provided, then you will get a discount. Okay, so here I am getting some discount, 876.60. Okay, this is the amount I am getting as a discount. Okay, so my total amount is 3138 rupees. Okay, so I'm going to click continue. So I'm going to log in with my account. So if you do not have already have an account, then just create one account. Okay, just create a new account, then log in with the account. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to put my credentials. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Okay, so now you can see they are they are providing us some gateways. Okay, so all these are the payment gateways. You can either choose payu or cc avenue. Both these are very good service providers, okay, for online payment. So I will select payu. You can choose cc avenue, so this is also good. Okay, and don't forget to tick this box, I agree to the new customer agreement. Okay, so select payu, then tick this box and select pay now. Okay, so this is the payment page. Okay, so what is your card type? You have to put your card type. Okay, so I'm going to use my debit card for the payment. Okay, so it's a Visa debit card. You can also choose the other options provided here. Okay, you can pay by credit card or by net banking, or you can use wallets. Okay, so I'm going to use debit card. This is my Visa debit card. Okay, so here I'm going to put my card number, then the name on my card. Okay, my CVV number and the expiry date. Okay, so what you are going to do, just put all the details and click pay now. Okay, so after you clicking pay now, your purchase will be completed. Okay, so after the purchase is completed, we are going to receive an email from HostGator. Okay, so the email will look like this. Okay, it will say completed, that means the purchase is completed. Okay, now they have given us the control panel. Okay, they have given us the access to the control panel. Okay, so what we are going to do now is just scroll down to the email, and here we can see, okay, there is a section managing your website. So we are going to use these URLs. Okay, they have provided us these URLs and they have given access to the cpanel. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use this link to access the cpanel. Okay, so cpanel is the backend of the hosting of your website. Okay, it's like the control room of your website. Okay, you are going to control your website from the cpanel. Okay, so they have provided us some URLs and a username and a password. Okay, so you can change this username and password later, but I do not recommend you to change the username and the password, because the username they have provided us already is a strong username and password. Okay, so for security purposes I do not recommend you to change this username and password later. Okay, so now what you have to do, just go to this long link. Okay, just do not go to this short URLs. Okay, these two URLs, just go to this long URL they have provided us. Okay, so I'm going to click this long URL. Okay, so now you can see I have got to the login page of the cpanel. Okay, so here I have to put the username and the password they have provided us. Okay, so I'm going to put the username. Okay, Okay, so I put the username and now the password. Just copy the username, the password from your email and paste it here. Okay, now just click login. Okay, so now we have successfully logged into our control panel, that means the C panel. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to install WordPress. Okay, since we are going to create our website on WordPress, so the first thing we have to do is to install WordPress on our server. Okay, so we are going to install the WordPress on our server, but before that let us install the SSL certificate. Okay, so to install the SSL certificate, just scroll down and here you will see a security section. Okay, so there you just click on SSL/TLS. Okay, just click there and here you will see this page. Okay, just click on manage SSL sites. Okay, now you will see this page. Okay, just scroll below and select your domain. Okay, my domain is asamupdates.com. Okay, you might see two options. Just select the .com or .in or .net version. Okay, just do not select the long link. Okay, the long URL, do not select that. Okay, just select your website.com or your website.in, whatever you choose. Okay, so now click on browse certificates. So this thing will pop up and we have to click on use certificate. Okay, so these spaces will be filled up for you. Okay, so these are the certificates. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to scroll down and click on install certificate. So the SSL certificate is successfully installed. Okay, now let's go back to our C panel. And now what we are going to do, now we are going to install WordPress on our server. So to install WordPress on our server, just click on this Softaculous apps installer. Okay, just click here. Now you will see there are several apps you can install on your server. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to install WordPress. Okay, you can see WordPress here. Just hover over this WordPress and click on install. So now you will see this page. So let us fill up the information and install WordPress. Okay, so first option is to select the version of the WordPress you want to install. Okay, so you can see different versions here. I'm going to select 5.2.2, which is the latest version, and then you can choose installation URL. Okay, here is HTTP option and HTTPS option, and if you want to put the www before your domain, then you can also do that. Okay, I'm just going to select HTTPS. Okay, then remember one thing, just delete this WP. Okay, just leave it blank. If we put anything here, it is going to create a new directory or a new folder for us. Okay, we do not need any additional folder, so just keep this thing blank. So now scroll down and here we have to put our site name. So I'm going to put Unlearned education. Okay, then here you can select your site tagline or description. Okay, so these things you can change later. Okay, but if you want you can change it now also, so I will leave this. Okay, I will change it later. So now scroll down and here these username and password you need to enter when you want to go to the dashboard of your WordPress. Okay, so this is the admin username, so I'm going to put it as admin and let us put a password. So I have put password as my password. Okay, so this is just for demo purpose, so I have put password. Okay, you do not put just password in your password area. Okay, just keep something strong. So now you need to change this email address. I'm going to put my email address here. So now scroll down, you can select the language you want. I'm going to select English and Here are two recommended plugins. Okay, I'm going to select the first one. I need to install the first one. Okay, you can either choose both or you can choose none. Okay, I'm going to select the first one. I need the login attempt, that means the loginizer plugin. Okay, so this will limit your users login attempts. And then what we are going to do, we are going to install WordPress. Just click on install. So now you can see the WordPress is installing. Okay, so there is an error. So if you see this error, okay, .htaccess error, so do not panic, do not worry about anything. Just go to your cpanel. Okay, just go back to your cpanel and scroll down to file manager. Okay, just scroll down to file manager and click on file manager. Okay, so here you will find a directory named public html. Okay, just double click there, and here you will find a file named .htaccess. Okay, just do one thing, just delete that .htaccess file. Okay, just delete it, tick this, and just click on confirm. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to go back to our WordPress installer, and now we're going to again select install. Okay, so now wait for some time. So you might have to wait for 3 to 6 minutes for the installation code to be completed. Okay, so the WordPress has been installed successfully on our server. So now you can see there are two URLs. Okay, so this is the first URL and this is the second URL. So the first URL is our website address. Okay, so the public will use this website address, so that means they will use this URL to visit our website. Okay, so let me open this in a new tab. Okay, so you can see this is how our website is looking right now. Okay, I know it's looking pretty bad, but do not worry, we are going to change it together. Okay, so now let us see what the second link is. Okay, let me open it in a new tab. Okay, so this is the dashboard of our WordPress website. Okay, so that means this is the backend of our website. Any changes which we make in this dashboard, that means in the backend, will be shown in the front end. Okay, so we are going to edit the website in the backend and the changes will be shown in the front end. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. Okay, so here you can see this is a demo post. Okay, so this is the demo post. So I'm going to delete this post in the backend. Okay, so let me go to post and click on all posts. Okay, so this is the post. So I'm going to click trash, that means I'm going to delete this post. Okay, now you can see the post has been deleted from our backend. So let me go to the website and refresh the page. Okay, so now you can see it is gone from the front end as well. Okay, so now if somebody comes to our website and see our website, then he or she will not see any post. Okay, because we have deleted it on our backend. So this is how we are going to change and edit our website. Okay, and make it a beautiful website. So this is the backend of our website. We are going to make all the changes here. Okay, so currently our website is looking like this. So our website is not looking that good, so we are going to customize each and everything. We are going to customize the header, the layout, and all. Okay, so just you can just follow my steps and you can build your own website just by following my steps. Okay, so but before customizing our website, I want to tell you something. My YouTube description box is very important. Okay, I provide all the important links regarding the video in my description box. Okay, so do not forget to check out my description box if you watch my video. So now let's start customizing our website. So now what we are going to do, we are going to change this theme. Okay, So this theme is not looking good, so we are going to change the theme. So to change the theme, what you have to do, just go to appearance and click on themes. So here you can see in the themes panel, you can see there are 3 themes installed on our WordPress dashboard. So you can change the theme here, or you can install new theme here. Okay, so the theme which is currently active on our website is 2019. Okay, let's try changing the theme. Okay, so let's active this theme 2017. Okay, let's click on activate, and now you can see 2017 theme is activated. Okay, so here you can see new theme activated. So now let's go to our website and refresh the page. So now you can see our website is looking different. Okay, so when we change the theme, our website also changes. That means the theme is very important for the website. Okay, we are going to add a new theme. Okay, so you can download the theme. I have provided the link to download the theme in my description box, so you can download the theme from my description box. So to add a new theme, what you have to do, just click on this add new. So now you will see this page. Okay, so now here what you have to do, just click on upload theme. Okay, so now click on browse. So let's open the folder, okay, where our theme is located. So I'm going to select the theme. Okay, so this is the theme ARE. Okay, so I'm going to select this theme and click open. Okay, you just download the theme from my description box. I have given you the link in my description. Okay, so now click on install now. So now you can see the installation is completed. That means the theme installed successfully. Okay, so now what we are going to do now is click on activate. Okay, just click on activate and activate the theme. So now you will see this page. Okay, so that means our theme is activated now. Okay, so let's go to our website and refresh the page and see if there are some changes on our website. So now you can see this is a different theme. Okay, since we have activated our theme, so our website is looking like this. Okay, so we are going to customize more and make it beautiful. So here you can see this theme recommends the following plugins. That means we have to install some plugins, okay, to use this theme. So click on begin installing plugins. Okay, just click begin installing plugins and the installation of our plugins will start. So now you can see all the recommended plugins are here, so you can either install one by one. I'm going to select all at the time and I'll click on install and then click on apply. So now you can see all the plugins are installed successfully. Okay, so now go to the plugin manager. Okay, that means just go to plugins and click on install plugins. Okay, just click on install plugins, then you will see all the plugins which are already installed. Okay, so all these plugins are installed on your website. Okay, so these two plugins, there are two plugins we do not need. Okay, so this, the first Akismet anti-spam, we do not need this plugin, and there is an okay, so this one. Okay, so Hello Dolly and the first plugin, we do not need these two plugins. Okay, so just tick these two plugins and select the option delete and click on apply. Okay, so then click OK. So just delete these two plugins, and now what we are going to do, we are going to activate all the plugins. Okay, so I'm going to select all. Okay, so now you can also untick the mail sim for WordPress. Okay, we can activate this plugin later also. So I'm going to select all the other plugins and then I'm going to select the activate options and then click on apply. So now our plugins are activated on our website. Okay, so what the next step we are going to do is we are going to import a demo site. Okay, let's do one thing, just click on import a demo site. Okay, let's click on import a demo site and you will see this processing. So now you will see this page. Okay, one click demo import. So we are going to import a demo website. Okay, so there are some websites which you can import. So all these are demo websites, so we are going to import the first one. Okay, this agency, you can see we are going to import this one. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on import. Okay, then click on yes, import. So you may have to wait for some minutes. So here you can see that it's all done. Okay, that means the import is finished. So now go to the website and click on refresh. So now you can see this is how the website is looking. Okay, it is looking much better than it was looking before. Okay, you can see all this stuff. Okay, we just clicked one single button and all these things are imported for us. So now we are going to customize all these things. Okay, so let's start with the, this is a logo. Okay, so let's start with the logo. Let's change this logo. Okay, just go to your dashboard and click, just go to appearance and click on customize. Okay, I'm going to open it in a new tab. So you will see a page like this. Okay, so here you can customize all the thing. Okay, so I'm going to change the logo. So you can either click on this edit button or you can just go to your site identity and click on change logo. Okay, so now you can see this page. You can just upload your logo, you can upload any image from your media library, or you can upload new files by going to upload files and then going to select files. Okay, then I'm going to select my logo and click on open. Okay, so my logo is uploaded. Okay, so I have selected this logo. Okay, I have just uploaded this logo and I have selected, and now click on this select button. Okay, so just crop the logo and select crop image. So now you can see the logo is replaced by our own logo. Okay, you can select your own logo, you can upload your own logo, and you can just replace the logo with your own logo. Okay, so the next step what we are going to do, okay, so just refresh the page. So now you will see, okay, I forgot to click this publish. Okay, so without clicking this publish button, the all the changes will never show on your website. Okay, so do not forget to click this publish button, okay, after you make any changes. Okay, so now again refresh the page. So now you can see the old logo, the old logo is replaced with her own logo. Okay, so this is a new logo we have just uploaded. So now what we are going to do, we are going to delete the unnecessary pages. Okay, unnecessary pages and posts. So for that, just go to dashboard and click on posts. Okay, so I'm going to open this post in a new tab and also the pages in a new tab. Okay, I'm going to delete all the unnecessary pages and the posts. So there are some posts. Okay, you can see there are some demo posts. Okay, just scroll down below and here you can see in the latest news section. Okay, or you can go to the blog. Okay, just click on blog and you will see all your blog posts. Okay, so these are all the demo posts. Okay, so we are going to delete all this. Okay, I'm going to click all the posts except one. Okay, just let me keep one post just to show you how it will look like. I'll select move to trash and I'll select apply. So now our posts are gone. Okay, we have two in here. Okay, I'm going to select one more and click on trash. Okay, so now there is just only one post left. Okay, let's go to our website and refresh this page. Now you can see there is only one post on our website. You can add as many posts as you want. Okay, so I'm going to keep one demo post for you. I'll show you how to write posts also. Okay, so don't worry. So now let us also delete the unnecessary pages. Okay, so there are some pages we do not want, so let's delete all these privacy policy sample pages. So let us keep this home, contact, blog and about us. Okay, so we have selected these three pages and I'll select move to trash and I'll select apply. So now we have deleted the unnecessary pages. So now let's go back to our website. Okay, so now let's go back to our website. So we are going to arrange this in the way we want. I want this home at first and then blog and then about us, and I want the contact to be at last. Okay, so I'm going to change this. So for that, to change the menu, so what we have to do, just go back to dashboard and go to appearance and menu. So this is our menu section. Okay, just scroll down. So this is our menu section. Okay, so home is at first, then blog, then about us, then contact. Why is the menu not showing like this? Okay, so here you can see the home is at last. Okay, but in our menu section the home is at first. Okay, you can just select it and you can bring it down here. Okay, the way you want. So this is because you have to tick this primary option. Okay, so we have to make this menu our primary menu. Okay, so let's do this and click on save menu. So now let's go back to our website and refresh our page. So now you can see here home is at first, then blog, then about us, then contact us page. Okay, so it's same like just we have done here. Okay, so home is at first, then blog, then about us, then the contact page. Okay, so we have changed the menu, we have just changed the logo. Okay, so now we are going to change all the other stuff. Okay, so I'll show you how you can change all the other stuff. I'm not going to change each and everything. Okay, so all these things are demo. Okay, I'm not going to write anything here. Okay, you can write whatever you want. I'm just going to show how you can do it and how you can make it in your own way. Okay, the way you like. So what for that, so to click all this, to change all these things, what you have to do, just go to your pages. Okay, and then go to home. Here you can see home. Okay, then just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, I'm going to click edit with Elementor. So you will see a page like this. Okay, so there is a box, there is a pop-up here, just click got it. Okay, so now with this Elementor page builder you can edit each and every section the way you want. Okay, so we have already changed our menu and our logo. Okay, now we are going to change all the other sections. Okay, so here instead of creative agency we are going to put our own name. Okay, so I'm going to just click. Okay, so to change this creative agency, just hover over this thing and just click on this edit button. Okay, just click on this edit button and here on the left side you can see this title section. Okay, so now just select your own name. I'm going to put Unlearned Education. So you can also change the tagline. Okay, so you can click on the edit button. Okay, just hover over this tagline, click on the edit button and you will see on your left. So I'm going to give another tagline. So let me put the best place to learn WordPress. Okay, so I have changed the tagline and the header. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this get a quote button. Okay, so let's click on the edit button, and here on the left you can see get a quote. Here the text, in the text section you can see get a quote. So I'm going to edit this and make it contact us now. Okay, so here you can see it is changed to contact us now. So now we are going to edit the link of this button. Okay, so here you can see there is no link here. So we are going to change the link to, we are going to give this link to our contact page. Okay, so that whenever somebody click on this button, they go to our contact page. Okay, so for that, to see the link, so let's go to our website and click on this contact, and you can see the link of our contact page. Okay, so just copy this link and go to Elementor and paste the link here. Okay, just paste the link here, and whenever somebody clicks on this contact us now button, they will just go to the contact page. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so before that, just update the changes. Okay, just click on update. So if you do not click on this update button, the changes will not be made on your website. Okay, so now let's go to our website contact page and click on refresh. Okay, sorry, we have to go to the home page. Okay, now you can see there are some changes made here. Okay, I have changed this to Unlearned education. Okay, so the best place to learn WordPress. Okay, so now whenever someone clicks on this contact us now button, they will go to our contact page. Okay, so just click here, let's see. So now you can see we are just redirected to our contact page. Okay, so this is how it works. So now let's edit the other stuff. Okay, let's go back. So now you can, if you want, then you can change this background. Okay, to change this background, just go to this, okay, this option, navigator, and click on this option. So now you can see this is the navigator. Okay, so all this section will appear here. Okay, so let's move the navigator here. Okay, so now to change the background of this section, okay, that means this section. Okay, so just click here. So now you can see on the left there are some options. Just go to style, and here you can see this is the background. Okay, so this is the background which is currently appearing. Okay, if you want to change the background, just click on choose image, and you can select any background you want. Okay, you can just upload it from here, or you can upload new files, new image. Okay, so I'm not going to change the background. Okay, if you want to change the background, then you can do it as I showed you. Okay, so now let's try to change this. Okay, just click this edit button, and here you can see on the left. Okay, so okay, I will not change this. Okay, if you want, you can change this. Okay, I'm just showing you how to do this. Okay, so now if you hover over this right section, then on this image you can see there is a edit option. You can select this edit option, then you can change the image. Okay, so here on the left you can see this is the image appearing here. Okay, if you click on choose image, then you will be able to select any image you like or upload a new image. Okay, so now we don't want this read more button. Okay, so for to remove this read more button, what you have to do, just click on this edit button. Okay, then click the delete option from your keyboard. Okay, just click the delete option, delete key from your keyboard. Okay, so it's gone now, just like that. Okay, so now just like we have edited all this section, just hover over the section you want to edit and just click on the edit. Okay, here is the edit button, just click on the edit button, then you will see all the options on the left, and you can choose different options. Okay, or you can just upload your own images and all. Okay, so now let's keep this section. Okay, I will not going to change this section. Okay, so here is our services section. Okay, so you can name it anything. Okay, just click on this, the hover over this and click on this edit section. Okay, so let me see what I can put here. Okay, our services. Okay, I will see. I will write what we are famous for. Okay, so, and I don't want this small tagline. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Just I will click on this edit button. Okay, here it, and I will click the delete key on my keyboard. So now it's gone. So, okay, just this line and then below all these things. Okay, so I do not want all these read more buttons. Okay, so I am going to remove all this one by one just by selecting this edit button and click the delete key on my keyboard. Okay, just let's do it one by one. So I have removed the read more options. So now here you can see our work. I'm going to change it to our portfolio. Okay, so if you want gap between the images, then you can do that by just selecting this section. Okay, just hover over this section and click on this edit button. Now you can see there are some images here. You can add more images by clicking this add images button, and if you want to have some gaps between these images, so what you can do, go to style. Okay, then sorry, just go to, yes, go to style, and then you can see spacing here. So instead of default, you can select custom. Okay, and then you can apply more gap between the images. Okay, so I'll select 30. So this is looking good. So now I'll check if everything is all right. No, I'm going to delete this small tagline. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Just I'll click on this edit button and press the delete key on my keyboard. So it's gone. So here is our work section. So you can change this percentage. Okay, so here the WordPress is 90%, video is 80%. So I'm going to show you how you can change it. So just click on this edit button and you can select the percentage here. Okay, if you keep your percentage 50 here on your left, then it will show 50 on your website. Okay, I have selected 49, so it is showing me 49. Okay, and you can also change these names. Okay, just if you want to change the WordPress, the name WordPress, then you can do it by changing the title. Okay, here you can see on your left the title. Just put it something different. I'll select animation, so animation 49. Okay, so this is our work section. You can, so I did not change this background, but I have showed you how to change the background. So if you want to change the background of all these sections, so you can, what you can do, you can either select this navigator. Okay, just go to navigator, then section, or you can do another thing, just hover over this section, then you can see these three options. Okay, the plus, the close section, and here are 6 dots. Okay, this means you can edit your section. Okay, so if you click here, if you click this edit section option, then you will see some options on your left. Okay, so I will go to style, then I can select my background here. Okay, you can select any background, so background type, you can select image. Okay, so I'm not going to select any image for my background. Okay, I will show you. Okay, let me show you how you can. So if I choose a background, I'll select this, let me select this as my background. Okay, so now you can see my background is changed. It's not looking good. I have just shown you for the demo purpose, I'm going to remove it. Okay, let's remove it. You can select this delete button. Okay, the background is gone. It is looking nice this way. Okay, so this is how you can change your background. Okay, you just click on these 6 dots and then you will be able to change your background. So I'll scroll down. So I'm not going to change anything here. Okay, let me remove this section, this small tagline. Okay, I'll click here and then the button, delete button on my keyboard. So I'm going to remove this read more button. Just click on the edit button, then press delete. So again I'll do this with this also. I deleted all the other posts, okay, except one. So this is the one post which I did not delete. Okay, so it is showing here. So this is how you can change and edit your website. Okay, so this is a testimonial section. So I'm not going to change this. You can do it by on your own. Okay, just go, if you want to change it, just go to this edit button, or if you want to change the background, just hover over this and click these 6 dots and you can see all the options here. Go to style, or you can change the advanced option. Okay, so now I don't want this section. Okay, so let's talk about your next project. I don't need this section, so just what I'm going to do, I'm going to hover over this section, and from these 3 options I'm going to select this delete option. So this is the delete section option. Okay, so I'm going to select this. So the section is gone. Okay, so you can add more sections by just clicking on this button. Okay, drag widget here. Okay, just if you click here this button, then you can see there are different shapes of columns. Okay, you can select 2 column, 3 column, single column. Okay, I'm not going to select more. Okay, so now I'm going to click on update. So let's go back to our website. So I'll go to our website and see how it is looking right now. So I have just showed you how to make the changes. I did not make too much changes. Okay, but I have just showed you how to make all the changes. So you can do it the way you want. Okay, you can make it the way you like. So now let's see how it is looking. Okay, all the buttons, so read more buttons are gone, you can see here. Okay, so there is a gap between the image now. So you can see I have changed the WordPress to animation, and I have changed it from 90% to 40%, so it is showing 40% now. And here is the latest news, that means our blog post. And here is our testimonial section. I didn't change this section, and there was another section here. I have just deleted this section. Okay, so below the testimonial section there was another section which I have deleted. Okay, so now what I want is, I want one more page. Okay, on our menu, that means there is a home page, there is a blog page, there is a about us page, there is a contact page. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another page. Okay, I'm going to add a gallery page. Okay, I need a gallery page on our menu. So what I'm going to do, I'm going back to my dashboard, and I'm going to add a new page. Okay, so just go there, pages, and select add new. So you will see a page like this. Okay, so now we can add pages here. Okay, so let me add the title as gallery. Okay, now I'll click on publish. So let's click on publish. So now our page is live. Okay, but it is not included on the menu. So to include the page on our menu, what we have to do, we have to go to menus and then add the page to our primary menu. Okay, so let's go to the menu, and here from these options, from these pages options, you can select gallery and select add to menu. So now you can see the gallery is added to the gallery page is added to the menu. Okay, so now I'll put this on maybe third, okay, on the third position. That means after blog the gallery will be there on the menu. Okay, so now I'm going to select save menu. So let's go back to our website and click refresh. Okay, so now you can see there is a home page, there is a blog page, there is a gallery page. Now let's see how it is looking. Okay, so the new page, we did not put any content on our new page, so but still let's see how it is looking right now. So the page is looking like this. Okay, there is nothing in the page, so we are going to add a gallery here. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can add a beautiful gallery here. So this is the sidebar which will appear on all the pages. Okay, so if you want to remove anything from this sidebar, you can remove it. So to adjust or to customize the sidebar, so all this stuff, okay, what we are going to do, we are going to go back, we are going back to the dashboard, and on the appearance section I am going to select widget. Okay, so in this widget section, so here you can see sidebar. So under sidebar all these options are here. Okay, so if you want to remove anything, okay, that means, so wait, let me show you. Okay, so this is the sidebar. Okay, if you want to remove the recent comments or the categories, anything, if you want to remove anything, then you can remove it on the widget. So in this widget section you can see there is a sidebar option, and here all these options are inside the sidebar. Okay, if you remove anything from here, it will be removed from the sidebar on your website. Okay, so I want this search option on my sidebar and the recent posts. Okay, I do not want anything else on my sidebar, so just going to put this, I'm just going to keep this search option and the recent post option, and I'm going to remove all this. So let's go back to the widget section, and what I'm going to do, just drag all these options which you don't want. Okay, just drag them away. Okay, I'm going to drag them away and they will be gone. Okay, I'll keep these two sections. Okay, so now you don't need to save anything here, just drag them away. And here, if you come back to the gallery and refresh the page, or you can go to any page to see the sidebar. So now you can see the search bar is here and the recent post option is here. So this is the recent post, that means I have kept only one post. Okay, I have deleted all the other posts and kept only one. So this is the post, okay, which I have kept and did not delete. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add a beautiful gallery here. So to add a beautiful gallery, you need another plugin. Okay, so the name of the plugin is Envira Gallery. Okay, so I have provided you the link to download the plugin on my description. So if you want to download the plugin, then just go to the description and download it from there. Okay, so what we are going to do to add a beautiful gallery, just go back to our dashboard and then go to plugins and then click on add new. So here you can see, from here you can upload your plugin. Okay, so here on the top of your page you can see add plugin option. Okay, here just select upload plugin. So now just browse the plugin. Okay, so this is the plugin, I'll give it in the description. Okay, I'll give the link in the description, just download it. So select the plugin and click on install now. So the plugin is successfully installed. Now go and click on activate plugin. So now our plugin is activated. So just scroll down and here you can see Envira Gallery. Okay, So to add a new gallery, what you have to do, just go to add new, and then you will see this page. Okay, so we have to give a title to our gallery. So I'm going to put this gallery. Okay, so I'm going to select the images which I want in the gallery. Okay, so you can either choose from other sources or from your computer. So I'm going to select the sources from our computer. So let's select the images. So here are the images. So select all. So all the images are uploading together. Okay, so all the images are uploaded. Okay, so these are the images. I have selected 9 images, so all the images are uploaded. So now what we are going to do, we are going to publish this gallery. Okay, just click on publish. So now our gallery is published. Now what you are going to do, you are going to select the light box. Okay, then just see if the light box is enabled or not. Okay, if it is not enabled, then just tick this box. Okay, so do not forget that. If this box is unticked, then tick this box and click on update. So now our gallery is updated. So what we are going to do now, we are going to add a beautiful gallery in this gallery page. Okay, so for that, go to the pages and then go to all pages. Okay, so now here you can see all the pages are there. So just go to gallery and then edit. So this is the page. Okay, this is our gallery page. So I'm going to add the gallery here. Okay, so to add the gallery page, so just click here. Okay, start writing or type to choose a block. So this section, just click here, and here you can see a leaf. Okay, so if you hover over this leaf, then you have the option to add a gallery. Okay, just click here. If you click here, you will see all the galleries that you have added. Okay, I have just added one gallery, so I will see only one gallery here. So let's click here. So now you can see I have named my gallery as gallery. Okay, so this is the name of my gallery. Okay, I have named, if I would have named the gallery differently, then this would have appeared differently. Okay, so now I'm going to select this gallery, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to see the options here. Okay, you can select all these options. Select layout. My layout is automatic, so you can select different layout. Okay, so I'm going to select 3 columns. Okay, so here you can see there are 3 columns, and here you can see all the other options here. So you can change the theme. Okay, so let's go to advanced here. Okay, so here you can add additional CSS. Okay, I'm not going to put any additional CSS. Okay, so let's go and see what are the other options. Okay, so here you can see gallery margins. Okay, this is small, so if you put it medium, then there is a gap. Okay, you can see. So if you put it large, okay, if you change it to large, then you can see the margin has become larger. Okay, so I'll select large, and then I'm done with my gallery. So it's looking good, so I'm going to click on update. So my page is updated. So let's go to the gallery page and refresh this page. Okay, now you can see the gallery is appearing on this page. Okay, it is looking beautiful. Okay, so if you want to remove all the sidebars, then you can do that. Just go to the widget section and remove all the sidebars. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can do that. So just click on the image. So if you click on the image, you will see like this. Okay, so you have the option to select the next to see the next image. Okay, so you can either choose the previous image or the next image. Okay, so I think this slider is looking beautiful. Okay, so you can, so we have added a beautiful gallery to our gallery page. Okay, so now let's go to home page. So home page is done, so we have added a gallery page. Okay, so now I will show you how you can edit the about us page and the contact page. Okay, and I will also show you how to write your post. Okay, so before that, let me show you how you can edit this footer section. Okay, so this is looking beautiful, this footer section is looking beautiful. You just have to change or edit these options. Okay, so instead of this ARE logo, you can put your own logo. Okay, and you can do all this thing by going to the widget section, and you can select footer 1, footer 2, footer 3 and footer 4. Okay, so when you select footer 1, you will see this text option. Just click there, and here you will see what they have written. Okay, so this is ARE logo and they have written something. I am going to delete all this. Okay, so instead of this array, I'm just going to leave it like this. Okay, so let's just write something else. Let me copy something. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, and click on save. Okay, so the footer 1 section, I have edited the footer 1 section. So let's go back to our home page and click on refresh. So now you can see the logo is gone. Okay, I had just, because I have removed the logo, it's gone, and I have changed all this text. Okay, so here just like this you can change the contact us section. Just go to widget and footer 2 contact us, just edit this stuff, and then go to footer 3 navigation menus. You have some quick links. Okay, so with the quick links you can either choose your menu. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to edit the quick links. So okay, so on the footer 4 section you will see there are 4 social media options. Okay, so just click here. So I'm going to show you how to edit these quick links and follow us. Okay, so contact us, you can do it easily by just going to the widget section and select footer 2 and just edit this text. Okay, so these are just text. So I'm going to show you how to edit the footer 3 and footer 4, that means these quick links and follow us. Okay, so in the quick link sections you can see there are 3 pages. Okay, so these pages are nothing but a menu. Okay, so they have created a menu and they have selected these phrases, these 3 pages on the menu for the footer. Okay, and this is another menu. Okay, so they have created actually 3 menus. Okay, the first one is for the header, the second one is for the footer 3. Okay, and the third one is for the footer 4. Okay, so this menu is for the social media links. Okay, so what you're going to do, just go to widget, select navigation quick links. Okay, you can select your own menu, that means the primary menu, or you can just edit the menus by going to appearance and select menu. Okay, so this is the menu page. So they have created 3 menus. Okay, so the first one is the primary menu. Okay, so this is the primary menu, and this is the menu, they have named it as quick links. Okay, so this is the quick link menu. Okay, so if you select quick link and press and click this select, then all the quick link option will appear to you. Okay, so this is the menu they have selected. Okay, so if you want this menu. If you want to edit this menu, okay, then you can edit this here, okay. And if you want to if you want to edit the social menu, then just click on social and select the menu, and you can edit the menu here, okay. So if you want to edit the Facebook link, of course you need to edit the Facebook link with your own URL. So go to your Facebook and copy your URL and paste it here, okay. So just like that you can edit all the menus, okay. So I'm not going to change anything here, but I have showed you how to edit the quick links and the followers, okay. If you want to add more pages here, just go to the dashboard, just add some pages and edit those pages, and you can make as many menus as you want and add them in your footer section, okay. So I have shown you how to edit all the sections on the home page, okay. So now you can see here, so this text, okay, proudly powered by WordPress, okay. So this is the theme name, okay. So you do not, if you do not want this, okay, if you want to remove this, I'll show you how to remove this section, okay. So to remove this section, just go to your dashboard, just hover over this appearance and click on theme editor, okay. So now you will see a page like this, just click on I understand. So now here you can see there are some options here on your right side, okay. So these are all the files, okay. So these are the codes, okay, that makes your website, okay. So do not edit or delete any of this code, okay. So I'm going to tell you how to remove the footer section, that means the text on the footer, okay. Just go to theme footer here, okay. You can see theme footer. So now scroll down here, so you can see, so this footer id colophon, okay. So this section, just remove this php do action, this anti footer till this bracket, okay. Just remove this line, okay. Now add your own, whatever you want, your own text, okay. Unlearned education, okay. So I put this text. Now what you have to do, just click on update file. So file edited successfully. Now go back to your home page, okay. So now refresh your home page. So now here you can see the text is changed, okay. So this is how you can remove the text from the button of your website, okay. So now what left is the about us page and the contact us page, okay. And also I will show you how to write post. So let's go to about us page. So this is how the page is looking right now, okay. I'll show you how to edit this page, okay. You can go back to dashboard, okay. If you want to edit the about us page, then you can go to dashboard, then you can click on pages, or you can just go to about us page and you can select edit with elementor, okay. Either you can select edit with elementor here on this page, or you can go to pages and you can select edit with elementor on the about us page, okay. So I'm going to select edit with elementor here. So this is how the page is looking right now, okay. So now you can edit the sections, okay. I have shown you how to edit the section on your home page. Just like that you can edit all the things here also, okay. If you want to change this text who we are, okay, just click on this edit button. You will see the options on your left, then you can edit or write anything, okay. So I'm just going to keep it like this. I'm not going to change anything. You can add any video here, just go. If you want to add another video instead of this, just go to this edit video option, then here in the link section provide the link you want to appear here. Okay, so just like that you can edit this page. Okay, so let's go back to our website. So I have shown you how to edit this page, about us page. Now let's see how to edit the contact us page. Okay, so let's go to contact page. So this is our contact page. Okay, so if you want to edit anything, okay, if you want to edit anything, just go to edit with Elementor, just click on edit with Elementor. Either you can choose edit with Elementor here, or you can go to pages. Okay, you can go to pages and select edit with Elementor there. Okay, you can see all the pages here, and you can select edit with Elementor on all the pages you want. So I'm going to edit now. I'm going to edit the contact page. Okay, so if you want to change the text, if you want to change any text, then you can change it by going to the edit option, this edit option, and then you can change or edit the text here on your left. Okay, so if a user comes to your website and he wants to send you a message, then he will use this form. Okay, so if I go to, let's go to my website. So here to see our profile, okay, the admin profile, just hover over this admin section and click on edit my profile, or you can just click on this admin. So this is the profile of your admin. Okay, you can change your first name, your last name, you can add anything here, or you can change the nickname. Okay, you can change the display name. Okay, so this is the address I have provided, this is the email address which I have provided for the admin account. Okay, so if someone contacts me through this form, then I will receive the message on my email. Okay, so on this email. Okay, so this is how I will receive someone's message. So now I'm going to show you how you can add blog posts. Okay, so let's go to our website. So let's go back to our website. I'll open it in a new tab. Okay, so this is our website. Okay, I have shown you how to edit about us page, contact us page, the home page. I have shown you how to edit the footer, how to remove the footer text. Okay, I have shown you all. Now I'll show you how to add blog posts. Okay, so go to blog, and here you can see the post will appear on your blog section. And if you want to add a new blog post, what you have to do, just go back to your dashboard. So the first thing you have to do is go to settings. Okay, then click on permalinks. Okay, I'll click on permalinks. So now change the permalink from day and name to post name. Okay, so change the permalink from day and name to post name, and click on save changes. So now you can add your post on your website. Okay, if you want to add any new post, just go to post section and click on add new. So this is the page where you have to write your post. Okay, so it is asking you to add a title. So let me put my first article here. Okay, so here you have to write your article. Okay, so let me copy something. So let's copy this article. Okay, I have copied this, and let me paste it here. Okay, so this is the article I have written just now. So if you want to style your font and everything, you can do it here. Okay, there are several options available here. So if you want to make it centered, just click here. Okay, now it's centered. If you want to make it bold, just select the article or select the part you want to make bold. Okay, just click on this bold, or you can make it italic, or you can make it heading. Okay, or you can make it paragraph, anything you want. Okay, so here on the right side you can see color settings. You can change the background color. Okay, and you can also change the text color. Okay, so when you are done with your article, that means if you have finished writing your blog post, what you have to do, just click on publish. Okay, so you can also add images. Okay, if you want to add images on any of the section, then just click on this plus button. Okay, then you can add gallery. Nvidia gallery is there to add, or you can get another gallery, or you can add a single image by clicking on this image. Okay, so I'm not going to add any image here. I'm just going to publish this post. Okay, let's click on publish. So my post is ready to be viewed. That means my post is published. Okay, let's go back to our blog. So now here you can see this is my post. Okay, so I have forgot to add a featured image. Okay, so this is a featured image. Okay, if I add a featured image, then the image will be shown at first. Okay, so let me go back to the post and let me edit this. Okay, so to add a featured image, you can see the option on your right side. Okay, so click on featured image, so click on set featured image, then you can select it from your gallery, or you can upload new file. Okay, I'm going to select it from the gallery, that means from my media files. Okay, so I'm going to select this and click on select. So my featured image is added. Okay, so now I'm going to click on update. So let's go back to the blocks section and click on refresh. So now you can see this is my article I have published just now. Okay, and this is the featured image. Okay, so this is how you can add new blog posts. Okay, so if you go to home, okay, if you go to the home page now, and if you scroll down in the home page, if you scroll down to the latest news section, then you can see this is the latest news that I have published right now. Okay, so here like this you can add blog post. Okay, and you can select different categories for your blog post. Okay, so here you can see this category is digital and it is uncategorized. Okay, so to select a category, so what you have to do, when you write a post, just click on categories, and you can select category from the available category. You can see the available category here and select the category whichever you want. Okay, and click on publish or update, whatever it is. Okay, so if you want to add new categories, okay, you can also add new categories. Here are only two categories available. So if you want to add new categories, just go to post. Okay, just go to post and select on categories. So here you can add or delete categories. Okay, so I'm going to add a new category just to show you. So let the category name be book. Okay, so if you want to have any parent category, then you can select any of the other categories which are already available. So I'm not going to select any parent category, this is my main categories. Okay, so click on add new category. So now you can see here our new category is added. Okay, so now if I go to posts, so this is the post I have written just a few moments back. So if I want to edit this post, if I want to change my category, okay, if you want to change your category, or you can add a new category. So this is my post, so I want to change my category. Okay, so now in the category area you can see book is added. Okay, so just like that you can select different categories or add or remove categories just by going to the category section, and it will appear here. Okay, so now I'm going to change my category from digital to book. Okay, I'm this going to select this digital one, and I'm only going to select booked and then click on update. Okay, it is updated. So now if we go back to our website and if we refresh the home page, what we can see that our new category book is added to this article. Okay, so just like that you can post new blog. Okay, and people will be updated through your blog post. Okay, so this is how you can make this beautiful website for your own or for your company or for your business, or you can edit it like the way you want. Okay, I have shown you every possible thing you can do with this website. So just go and check out how you can edit it and how you can do better with this website. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please share this with your friends and family, and also if you have any questions you can comment down below. So I will see you in a new tutorial. Till then, bye bye.